The U.S. Department of Treasury, HUD, and FHFA released a report to guide future loss mitigation and reflect on the lessons learned from the housing recovery programs. And a recent report from Redfin's Neela Richardson says that there are 4 things that the presidential candidates need to keep in mind in order to, quote, make the housing market great again. Ahead on Tuesday's News Wrap. Foreclosure prevention programs over the past 7 years have shaped the way that the mortgage service industry and homeowners interact and make accommodations. The U.S. Department of Treasury, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, and the Federal Housing Finance Agency released a white paper designed to guide future loss mitigation and reflect on lessons learned from the implementation of these housing recovery programs, according to an announcement from these departments. In the report, it has been noted that 10.5 million modification and mortgage assistance arrangements were completed between April 2009 and the end of May 2016 due to the government programs and private sector efforts, and additionally, making home affordable and other crisis-era homeowner assistance programs, according to the report, resulted in improved homeowner engagement in a loss mitigation process, as well as new guidelines for the types of loss mitigation options offered to homeowners and standardized procedures for how such products are provided. In the wake of national presidential conventions and debates conducted over the controversial topics to better inform voters as these candidates move closer to the election in November, one of the topics hardly touched in these discussions has been the housing market and its reform. Chief economist for Redfin, Neela Richardson, believes that there are 4 things that these candidates need to keep in mind in order to, quote, make the housing market great again. These include ignoring mortgage finance reform, connecting affordability to mobility, increasing building, and remembering the Rust Belt. You can check out all of these stories and all the latest happenings in the industry right here on our site. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again on Wednesday. Until then, stay with DSNews.com for all your most relevant default servicing news.